Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Just want to give a quick shout out and say thanks so much for being the first to comment on my last video. So for today's video, I'm going to be using my Almond Extra Short Soft Gel Full Nail Covers. As always, these are available for purchase in my Etsy shop, and I'll be sure to have the link to it down below. But all I'm doing is going in and sizing them out as always, and just making sure that they fit my nail wall to wall. If you hear a little background noise, I apologize. It's my dog. He's running around, got the midnight zoomies. So please just try and ignore him. Now I'm going in with my solid nail tip glue gel. This is also available for purchase in my Etsy shop. I absolutely love this stuff. It honestly just makes the whole process of doing nails so much easier, so much quicker, and so much faster. But I'm just going in and applying a pea-sized amount, just scooping it out with my nail cover. You don't want to use your fingers because the oils can make the product like not really adhere properly. So I'm just scooping it out with that soft gel full nail cover and then just pressing it on. It's really that easy. If you happen to get any that oozes out from the sides, you can just go in and remove that. But here's what it's looking like. I do multiple nails at once to just like eliminate the time that my hand is in and out of that UV lamp. So I do multiple nails, and I typically do the 4 fingers and then cure, and then I always do my thumb separately. So now I'm going in with an 80/80 grit nail file, and I'm just shaping my nail just a sprinkle bit, just, you know, making sure the corners, edges is how I like it. The beauty of full soft gel full nail covers is that it does all of the shaping for you. So this process is super quick and easy. So now I'm going in, dusting all that off. If you fully prepped your nails, this is the point where you would go in and wash your hands. So I'm going in with some builder base, and I'll be sure to have the link to this down below. It comes in a starter of 5 beautiful colors, beautiful nudes, pinks, milky whites, and I absolutely love this builder base. So yeah, as you can see, I just went in and did like a slip layer, and then now I'm going in and building it in I guess a builder method. I'm not sure what the proper terminology is called, but yeah, it's super easy. And like I said, I love builder base now. It's super easy to use once you get the hang of it, and it just really makes your nails really strong and last a long time. So I'm just going to go ahead and do all of my fingers, and then I'll be back. So I am going in with a nail line brush and just really perfecting that shape. But as you can see, you can wipe the sides as well, just to make sure that your sides don't end up bulky. But for our design, I'm going to be going in with this nail polish. This is a gel, like a jelly polish that I purchased off of TEMU. I'm sorry, it's TEMU. And I'll have my discount code down below. You can get it for 30% off. Literally, I ordered every single color because I absolutely love this polish. It's like a jelly polish, so you can build it up. This one is their sparkle one though, so this one is not really like a build up type of polish. It's just a regular silver gel polish, so any silver gel polish will do. But I'm just going in, putting that on a nail art palette. This is from Shein, and then I'm going in and doing my design. So my liner brushes, I have a set of 5 of them. They're from Amazon and they're phenomenal. Really love them. They come in all different shapes and sizes. It's kind of hard to do this on camera, so I did mess up a few times, but I'm just going in and doing kind of like an outline French design today. So yeah, it's very easy, and I'll be back once I finish the design. So after you finish doing that and curing it, I'm going in with a no wipe top coat now, and I'm just topping off my nails. Last and final step, cuticle oil. This is my rose cuticle oil, and this is available for purchase in my Etsy shop. This is an ultra hydrating cuticle oil made with all natural flowers. And here is the final look. I really love it. It's a super easy and simple design, and if you guys enjoyed this video, then please don't forget to leave me a like, comment, and subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will catch you in my next video.